Good morning, guys. This is Mrs. Carr, and today is Wednesday, April 22nd, and I'm here with your science rundown, continuing with fossils. So the very first thing that you're going to do is click on this fossils video and watch this YouTube video, okay? Pretty cool. And then, oh Lord. Okay. And then after you do that, you're going to come over here and read about mold and body fossils. Ooh, that sounds gross and cool at the same time. So, okay. So you might want to, you have a couple of options here because it looks really small. If your screen looks like my screen, then you can simply, use this little magnifier to make it look bigger. Or you could click the printout button if you have access to a printer. I do not. So another option would be for you to download it, and you can make it bigger that way as well. All right, when you're done reading about that, you're going to come over here and look at these fossil images. Okay, ooh, so cool. Ooh, some of those are so weird, 1 through 15. Okay, you're probably going to need to keep that tab open so that you can classify them correctly as trace fossils, mold fossils, or true form body fossils. Be sure to give you a reason. Be sure you give a reason for your answers. And here's the answer key, but make sure this is our discussion post today, guys. So make sure you read this article. You're not going to know if it's a trace fossil, mold fossil, or body fossil if you don't read this article. So definitely make sure you're reading the article. And then here's your answer key. And don't forget to come back into Schoology and post that in your discussion. All right, and then the last thing you're going to do is make your own fossil. If you have these materials, pretty cool, you can complete it this way. If you don't have those materials and you want to do, or you just don't have them and just don't want to make it, then you can click on this. And as it says, make sure that you're clicking on this puzzle piece to enable your flash. Excuse me, guys. All right, and then once you have posted inside your discussion piece, please don't forget to come back out and click on that I need help. I'm not really sure what's happening with fossils. I really don't know enough. Or the give me more. I got this fossil stuff down. I don't need to do it anymore. And remember, guys, this is same with math and science. If you're clicking on these, this is for the whole week. You don't need to do this every single day. But this will, you can do a little bit of these every day during the week to get you through. Okay. Also, please don't forget, you need to go back and check your discussion posts. To check your teacher's feedback. You can check later in the afternoon or first thing in the morning before you get started on your next set of work, depending on when you do your work. So please make sure you're going back and checking for those responses. Very, very important. All right, guys, that is it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.